Good afternoon, everyone. It's Rob from Top Affiliate Marketing Program. Today, let's talk about how to make money selling health products online. The health industry is huge, and there are so many different health products that you can promote to make money with. Because we all buy health products, we spend money on them, but how many of us actually are making money selling health products online? So like I said, the health niche is huge, and it's perfect because the possibilities are endless. So you got to sit down, do a little research, think about what you'd like to promote. I'm going to give you some ideas, just a few ideas of products in the health niche. Like I said, there's a million of them. So you need to build a website around this. Now, if you already have a website and it's in the health niche, then this is just going to help you even more. But if not, you're going to need to build a website. You'll never run out of things to write about because the health niche is an evergreen niche. Excuse me, that's always going to be around. And there are a lot of ways that you can branch out here. So let's get going here. There are over 8 million people, I believe, in the United States alone. And a large number of people are looking for health products. And you can show them the stats from the keywords further down in this article. I'm going to give those to you. Like I said, the market is huge. So what are people looking for? Let's do 3 specifics. All right, so first here is health products itself. We want to see if the market's viable. So we're going to check 3 different keywords. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the best keyword tool there is, Jaaxy. This way, you'll know before you even go in what your keywords are going to rank for. Okay, and just the keywords that I'm going to show you are just 3 of many. But let's go to health products first. There's over 8,000 searches a month for health products. That's huge. Great number. There's a lot of articles you can write for your website about health products. You know, it's very broad. You can just narrow it down, but you could start out how to make money selling health products. And I want to go to the next one, health supplements. Again, 4,254 a month. And that's through Jaaxy, the best keyword tool there is, without a doubt. Like I said, there's a lot of different things that you can sell, you promote. Health foods, weight loss, diabetes, health and exercise. It's just, there's no end to the list of what you can promote on here. The last one I want to show you is health foods. Now, here we go. Almost 10,000. So how's that? How's that number? So here's 3 numbers, okay, that tell you that this is a viable niche. And the Google search trends here is going to show you the comparisons. So based on this chart, you can see that the health niche is not going anywhere. It's never going to dry up because health is so important to all of us, and there are so many products that you can promote, like I said. So you can write your whole website about health products, or you can dig deeper down and cover more specific areas. I would cover everything you can. The narrower down that you get, the more traffic you're going to get. You're pinpointing your keyword, and you'll get more traffic and more sales. Here's just a few ideas in health products: vitamins, supplements, probiotics, minerals, herbal medicines, foods, and like I said, the list is just endless here. So you can zero in, like I said, exactly on what the buyer is looking for. You want to zero in on what the buyer is looking for. Not you, not the sale, What is the buyer looking for? Give them the information and you'll be successful. Because you want them to buy from you rather than going to a brick and mortar store such as Walmart or Target. You can always add more content later. So pinpointing your niche is extremely important. So what you want to do is resolve, like I just said, what are you doing to actually help people resolve their problems in the first place? Because people are surfing the internet to find a solution to their problems. Can you provide the answers? All right. So you choose this particular topic. It's one of two reasons. It's either something you love or something you know a great deal about, or it could be both. If it's not at least one or the other, don't waste your time. And quality content is king, not just writing. You want to give the reader quality when you're writing the content, because people see right through you if you don't. So you can actually go right here in this box right now and type in a keyword and click on find keywords, and you'll see the numbers come up. I wanted to provide this for you so you could do it yourself. That's part of what Jaaxi does. So again, what's the problem that's being solved? Well, maybe it's, for me, blood sugar. My blood sugar's too high. That's a health product. It's a health industry. Diabetes and blood sugar. So like I said, you want to solve their problem. That's it. So here's two examples. You want to start a diet. Because who doesn't? I mean, I've been down this road so many times. Losing weight is part of your goal. So where would you look? How to lose weight. That's what I'd search for. Just one keyword of probably 40 billion. The next thing you do is write an article about eating healthy and losing weight. Now here's a problem and a solution. For instance, let's say you're not healthy and you want to become healthy so you can have a better life. So then the keyword you might choose is how to become healthier. That's another article you can write. So as you can see, here's two instances where you're solving problems for people, and that's just two. This will never end as far as the problems that people are looking for in health niche and these solutions that you can provide for them. Like I said right here. Provide the answers, give them more than one choice. This is your job to show them, and why the ones you're reviewing are the best ways to actually become that healthy person. So if you do this, you're going to be successful. It's a very simple rule to follow. Now this real tip here real quick, don't try to find every problem and solution in the beginning. It's just too much. Just do one at a time. So now how are you going to help your audience take out their credit card? Well, like I said, it's a two-step process. They're looking to solve a problem. You write an article about that problem, giving them the solution. You have links in there to a specific product that's going to help them, and that's all you have to do. But you have to do these two steps. Now, what else to consider here? There's a lot of things that you have to look into. Like I said before, we've already determined the health niche is a viable one, but you want to get specific products in the health product niche. The deeper down that you dig, the less traffic you're going to have, but it'll be more focused traffic, and in the long run, you will get more traffic and more sales. So to solve a buyer's problem, zero in targeted. Some health fanatics, they do know what they want. So you better be sure that you provide the answers. All right. Don't let them come to your site and then they leave because they couldn't find, the answer to their problem. You didn't provide it. Now, I'm talking about health programs in general, But of course, you can dig way down. There's so many ways you can branch out in the health industry. Solve people's problems without them making a purchase. Now, trust me on this one. If you write articles in such a way that it makes an easier experience for your reader, okay, but they buy somewhere else, then you're still solving their problems and helping them out. Now, you may not be getting the sale, but you're building their trust. And once they trust you, they'll apt to come back and then buy from you, and again and again. And believe me, this does happen and it works. Selling without touching. Well, when you're selling products online, people can't actually touch them. But for instance, I buy things on Amazon all the time. I don't touch them. And it's all about the intangibles. You have to do a flawless job to make up for that in the article that you're presenting, as far as the content and your images, your links, and everything else that you're supposed to do to make it easier for the reader and the buyer. So gear it toward them and not your product. And this is really important, this next thing. I want you to remember this. You don't build a business, you build people, and then people build a business. Write that down. Don't forget it ever, because that's what this is all about. Now we come to the most important part of this whole program. You need a website to promote these affiliate programs, or to, any program that you're writing on this, like this How to Sell. Here's a 4-step process where you can be taught to build your website, okay, create traffic from your links, and make sales. Where you click right here to get started now. So the other step on that 4-step process was obviously choose your niche, which we already have, so that's 4. There are other ways to sell products online. I'm just going to go through this pretty quick because this is what I recommend: affiliate programs. Amazon, Target, Walmart, eBay, and there are private affiliate programs for just about every product. I believe in affiliate marketing. I'm going to give you, for instance, health products. Go into Google plus affiliate programs. They're going to come up here, and you'll see a whole ton of programs that you can promote. I gave you what I thought were the best, as far as the 3 keywords that I gave you. But you can search further down as you start building your website. And when you're searching, you want to make sure you get adequate commission. The products are high ticket because you'll get a better commission. That doesn't mean just promote any high product, but the high products are going to give you a higher commission. Make sure they offer good testimonials that discuss the product, the quality of it, and the commissions that they offer. The products must be good quality, and take my word, do not promote inferior products, because it's going to damage your reputation and your brand. Offer excellent customer service, solid payment structure, and of course, again, that it's in direct relation to the problem you are solving. I can't say that enough. These are all pretty much common sense here. So in every case, you're going to apply for the program to promote their products. Now, you have to have a website. Do not skip over this. You have to have a website because they're going to ask you the name of your website, what are your traffic numbers, and what's the main reason that you're joining. And you want to be honest here and not just say, I want to join to sell something, because that's not going to cut it. They want to know what your plan is and why should they put their product in your hands for you to represent them. That's the most important thing before you even think about making money from an affiliate program. In this particular case, we're just talking about how to sell health products to make money. but it would be through affiliate programs. So now websites, like I mentioned before, they are the most trusted sites out there. So where you can begin first. So remember, I say this again, you are not building the business, you're building the people, and the people are building the business. Now the next part I'm going to skip over kind of quick because drop shipping is another way that you can make money. I don't care for it personally. The reason is it costs more money and there's a lot more work involved. You can read this. I'm not going to go over it in detail other than to tell you that you can type in drop shipping plus health products in Google and you can find what you need. And everything here is basically the same as what I discussed. It's all very important. Read this, embed it in your head, in your brain, because it's important. You can sell your own health products. Food recipes is one that, off the top of my head. Another one that's excellent is essential oils. Okay, I know some people actually make their own essential oils, but essential oils are popular and they serve solutions to a lot of problems that people are looking for. Okay, like I said, the negative side of drop shipping is the upfront cost, and you got to manage your own shipments and orders, and that's why I like affiliate marketing, because all you do is write the article and solve their problem, and the vendor is the one who does all the work. Okay, they ship everything, you get paid through them. There's nothing else that you have to do. So here is a supply. If you're looking for supplies, you'd have supplier plus health products in Google, and again, here's everything you need. So there are other ways that you can, sell products on your own. Like I said before, I like affiliate marketing. That's the way that I do things. But these are just ways that you can sell. You can sell on Shopify, YouTube. You can advertise on. You can even go to a flea market. The list is endless here. There's no limitations as to what you can do. So if you're going to start selling health products, you need to build a website. It's just plain and simple, and it's common sense. You cannot promote these without a website. It's pretty straightforward with your posts, and here is how to build your website. Provide the links in your post so readers can read this and buy from the relevant materials in the links in your posts. You can promote on social media too. There's a lot of different ways that you can go about this. You can start a health products YouTube channel showing people videos of health products. Social communities. Here's a screenshot of health related Facebook groups. And finally, I just want to say that this is an awesome opportunity for you. You could be trained and guided through, like I said, a 4-step process through the best affiliate marketing program in the world. Now, I just want to tell you that I almost passed this up, and I'm so glad I didn't, because this is the best platform out there to build a website. The training is second to none. You can join for free. The community and support is just totally awesome. So you can learn how to do that right here. Click and join. I'll be there by your side along with everyone else who's there to support you. And that's about it. I just wanted to thank you for your time. Please click the like and share button and have a great day. Thanks.